Ladies and gentlemen, our next match is a six-man tag match. With one fall and a 20-minute time limit. Introducing first, the team of Dave Davis and T.G.I. Fredo and brilliant Bobby Banks.
What a six-man combination that is.
As you'll recall, last month, Bobby Banks and Fredo Majors got a pinfall victory over the Short Bus Express and the three-way dance for the Tag Team Championship.
They did, but they didn't win the titles because then they lost the next fall to the United Force.
That is true, but you got to be impressed that they got the win over the
Let's hear it. We're here for me.
Fredo Majors has his own cheering section. I wonder if Bobby Banks and Dave Davis are jealous that they don't have a cheering section.
Now who's trying to stir up dissension, Joe Rules?
What?
Trying to stir up heat between these guys and me.
I'm just asking questions.
I was just asking questions about Bobby Viper earlier.
Well, how about this dude? I'm gonna go walk around.
It's very hot in this building right now. All I can think about is how hot it is. It's because the crowd is on fire.
It's not hot in here, it's just me.
Ooh.
That's right.
You're a loser! You're a loser! You're a loser!
The team of the Sons of Liberty, the loser, Willie J. Kirby and Nate Mustang, and the Jersey Shore Madman.
Mustang, Galloway Township's own. Slayer.
This one's gonna be a barn burner, man.
Slayer getting stay out of the big white room where they usually keep him locked up. I think he wants a piece of Bobby Banks and Fredo Majors after he lost the fall last month.
That's right, and I know Mustang and Kirby want to get their hands on Dave Davis after what went down last month between those two and Davis's new tag partner, Kirk Francis.
Craig Francis, conspicuous by his absence, perhaps not wanting any piece of Kirby and Mustang.
Guess what? I got my own section.
Once again, Fredo with his own section. Not a section for Dave Davis, not a section for Bobby Banks.
I think he may have paid for those tickets for those gentlemen. Or maybe,
Could be members of his own family.
there's a bar here, he may have gotten them drinks too. I think Dave Davis's cheering section's in the back.
I think Bobby Banks and Fredo Majors need to get a room.
Set to go here. Slayer a favorite in whatever town UWC travels to.
Fans love Slayer.
He's been around for 20 plus years.
Without a doubt.
And you wouldn't be able to tell just by looking at him, he's in tremendous shape. He might be
By looking at him, you would think he was one of the youngest on the roster.
you wouldn't think certainly that he's been here for 20 years. And he's still picking his nose. He's been here since for an EWC since day one. This is the first show. Former UWC Ironman champion.
Former tag team champion.
That's right.
He and Fredo the heel. Short Bus Express.
Fredo conspicuous by his absence tonight. I guess the bus didn't stop at his house.
Apparently not. I guess it just stopped at the big white room.
Oh, he wants a piece of the lost boy.
Don't trust the ginger. No one trusts gingers. Don't trust the ginger.
There are actually a lot of gingers on the list.
There is.
Like a disproportionate amount.
You're bringing a lot of gingers. You're bringing in here.
With Jay Kirby, we got Big Rig, we got Spectrum, newcomer Jimmy Pipes.
That's a tremendous name. That's a great name. Is he a good singer? Makes the name even better. Kirby's got a side headlock here. Takes Mr. Davis to the mat.
Jay Kirby and Nate Mustang, known as the Sons of Liberty.
Kirby whipped off the ropes. Shoulder tackle. Nice neck breaker.
Could be it.
Only at the count of one.
All right, Davis.
Mr. Davis throws him into the turnbuckle.
I like what you did there.
Tag made. Here comes the big man. Fredo Majors. Off the ropes. Big clothesline here.
He is a powerful man, Fredo Majors.
And I understand that he is a pupil of former UWC heavyweight champion Reckless Youth.
I have heard this.
That's a great teacher to have. Reckless Youth has been all over the world.
Without a doubt, former UWC heavyweight champion Reckless Youth.
It's wrestled, yeah. He's made quite a name for himself here on the independent scene. We'll only have to see. I think we'll see.
King of the Indies.
Exactly. We'll have to see if Fredo Majors can live up to the teacher. Big right hand for the American, the Son of Liberty. One of two Sons of Liberty. Tag made. Here comes the Jersey Shore Madman.
Lives up to his name.
He's a complete lunatic. Bobby Banks wants no part of the hard head of Slayer. Big right hands. Off the ropes. Slayer coming in. Oh, he's a frenetic ball of energy. He's just all over the place. Kinetic energy personified.
It's all those Zorknoids that he weighs.
Good point. Got him in that cravat right there. Tag made. Here comes Nate Mustang.
Nate Mustang, the most powerful member of his tag team.
He might be one of the most powerful people here in UWC. Boy, you look at that Mustang Sally, everybody gets a ride.
Is that his valet?
That's his finishing move. He didn't know it was his finishing move until I called it his finishing move at the first show that I called for him.
Just making sure you know. All right.
Well, now he knows.
Let's go out.
This could be it. 1, 2, no.
Only a count of 2.
That was close, but don't count that fast.
Drop kick to the low drop kick. There goes to the cover. Only a count of 2. Irish Rip first. Oh! Drives the knee right in the lower back.
Cheap shot by Bobby Banks, and he runs like a thief in the night again.
Brilliant Bobby Banks appears to be a bit of a coward. Majors to drive a boot into the ribs. Now he's choking him in the ropes.
Fredo with a few choice words to the fans.
And he's got a fan section.
I don't think he was directing his comments to that section.
He didn't specify.
But it's true that he was yelling at his section.
He might be playing hard to get. This is a bad idea. Oh, he just made the fans move for no reason. That's just rude.
He probably gave Lois a heart attack in the process.
That's what I was thinking. Fans, that'll probably be the last time you ever see Fredo Majors. Mr. Davis now cranking at the neck. Cutting off the flow of blood to the head. Trying to knock out Mr. Kirby here. Belly to back suplex, both men down. Who will make that first tag, that all-important first tag?
That's what's going to make the difference in this match, I can tell you that much.
If Jay Kirby doesn't make the tag right here, he will lose this match. Mr. Davis again, he makes the tag.
To Mustang! Slayer's in there as well!
Slayer is a battering ram. Nobody else in the WC is crazy enough to allow himself to be used like that other than Slayer. That is insane.
He is the Jersey Shore Madman.
They don't call him that for...
Oh my goodness.
Lois just had another heart attack.
Are you okay?
Can't even see what's going on here.
Oh no, there's more to come. That's a third heart attack.
Well, I think here comes number 4 based on Mustang in the ring.
That's a... Everybody scatters.
Discretion is the better part of valor.
Live to fight another day.
Sends Fredo Majors back into the ring.
Off the ropes.
Who is legal in this match right now?
I think it's Dave Mustang. He's now Bobby Banks. I believe Bobby Banks made a tag behind him. It looks like he did.
Who's the legal man? Don't shoot!
That's just steal things.
The team of T.G.I, Dave Davis, and brilliant Bobby Banks.
Was Bobby Banks in that match other than that one tag?
Just that one tag was the only time he was involved in this match.
He's a little weasel, that guy.
Right when Nate Mustang had Fredo Majors right where he wanted him, Bobby Banks stole one.
The Fredo section goes home happy. And meanwhile, I think at some point down the road, Nate Mustang's going to want to get in the ring with Bobby Banks.
And there's Fredo Majors with his Fredo section in tow.
I'm disgusted.
We're all discussing Chris Wilcox.